Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am sharing my childhood traditional Christmas Eve meal. So here it is, and I hope you enjoy this video. So here are the things you need. So I have freshly made garlic sausage and the spicy sausage underneath. These were made yesterday. And then I have some ribs, and then potatoes and onions. So first thing that I'm going to do is clean my potatoes and cut them up. And cut up my potatoes, and I also have the onion, and now I'm going to cut up my ribs. So next thing that I'm gonna do is I have some lard that we save from when we make our homemade bacon, when we cook it. So that is what I'm using to grease up the pan. So that's the next step that I'm doing, is using that. You can use store-bought lard, you can use olive oil, but the lard does give it a better taste. I'm going to dump out my potatoes and season them. I like to use vegetable seasoning, salt and pepper, and a little bit of garlic. So the potatoes are seasoned, and now I'm going to add ribs and season them as well. You can use pork chops too if you want, if you don't want it to be all ribs. I'm going to season them with salt and pepper and some garlic seasoning. When my meat is seasoned, I am going to place the sausage. There, and now I'm going to add onion just in little nooks and crannies where there's a bit of room. There we go. And now I'm going to cover it and cook it at 375 for about an hour and a half. But for the first hour or so, I'm gonna cook it covered, and then I'm going to uncover it so the meat has a chance to brown. Into the oven it goes. I had forgotten to do one more thing, and that's to add a little bit of lard here and there still all around it. So here it is, ready to go in the oven. I'm gonna cover it up. Just wanted to touch base. I know if I have people watching from where I'm from, as all my cabinets are open, I am not going for completely 100% authentic. I know that authentic one does not have the garlic sausage in it. I'm doing it what my family, how I had adjusted it to my family's liking. Not my parents' liking, but my family, my husband and my children. So that's what that looks like right now. So I know it might not be 100% authentic, but this is what I'm doing for my family. So here it is, all done. With the meat, I'm going to serve some coleslaw. I did not shred this myself. I bought it all shredded, and I put some salt and pepper, and I have 2 parts olive oil, 1 part balsamic vinegar. And then some peaches. I know it's weird, but it tastes really good with it. So here it is, served with some homemade bread. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day.
It's like they spell your name, it's insane. Now we're back here once again.